Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I noticed that I didn't do an intro when I was editing the video, so here's a few pictures of the makeup look I'm about to do. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows off camera, and this time I used the eyebrow pomade Anastasia in medium brown, and I prepped my eyelids with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Now I'm gonna set my eyelids that way they don't crease. Taking this Morphie brush like this just to set my eyelids real quick. I've tried not setting them without any product because they say like with concealer, if you don't set it with anything, it pops more the eyeshadow color, but that has not been the case for me. I feel like there's no difference. I just feel like when you don't set your eyeshadow, it's harder to blend out. You gotta be very precise and careful with your colors. So I'm taking my Morphie 35B palette. I think 100% positive they discontinued this palette. I don't know why, but another dupe for it can be Take Me to Brazil palette, and also the Your Inner Artist by James Charles. That can be like a dupe for it. Practically any palette that's like all rainbows colored. I'm going with it's not duct tape, but clear tape, and I'm gonna put it on my eyelids because it's gonna be a blue eyeshadow look, but colors are like more dangerous to work with, and if you're a beginner at doing like colorful looks, it's just never the worst idea to use tape. I love using tape for my eyeshadow. I feel like my eyeshadow comes out 10 times better and a lot more crispier, like sharp. I'm taking this dark navy blue right here, and that's the color I'm gonna start off with, and I'm using this tiny blending brush just to pack it on the lid little by little and then work it out like that. So then I go we're gonna pack it on little by little. I haven't used this palette in so long, I'm starting to think that they discontinued it because it's kind of hard to build the color with these, and they're not as vibrant, to be honest. Like, you have to pack on a lot, but like to get the color you want. Okay, so we have this blue like that. You know what I look like? I look like those girls that be like, you wear too much makeup, and then all of a sudden you look at their makeup and it's this. That's what I look like. Okay, so then I'm gonna blend out this crease real quick. So this is how it should look after you blend it out. It kind of looks like a cat eye. It's not so much blended on the top because you are going to be using a blue transition color to blend out the rest. So we're going to be taking this fluffed out blending brush, and I'm going to be taking this bright blue color right here, and that's what I'm going to be using as my transition color for this look. So you pack some on your brush like this, but dust it, and then start blending that on your edge little by little, because blues are a scary color to work with. Okay, so after that, this is what it should look like a little icy look. Taking this flat top packing brush, I got this from one of my Naked palettes of Urban Decay, and you're gonna be taking the navy blue again because that's what we want to start off with, because the navy blue is a darker blue, and when you add the light blue it just looks like a perfect blue. It doesn't look too light or too dark. So we're taking that navy blue and packing it on. Okay, so this is what it should look afterwards. It looks like a blue blended eyeshadow. It's actually super fast and easy to do. You just gotta be careful or else you look like a prostitute. I'm being dead ass. This is the glitter primer I'm gonna be using. Will it focus? There. So then after that, I take some of that primer glue, that primer glitter glue, and I start making a wing eyeliner. The holographic glitter, or I have just glitter. I think I'm just going with glitter because that's the type I went in with last time. So this starts to dry a little, and then you get some on a brush, start packing it on. A clean brush like this one, and I just dust off any extra glitter, you know, because I want to see how it looks. Okay, I think I'm satisfied with this. So I take off my tape, and this is what it should look like. Kind of looks a messed up because there's like blue under my eye and stuff, but it looks bomb. This is what we're going for. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, so this is what it should look like after you're done with both eyes. A wing blue liner, a wing silver eyeliner, like this. Okay, and then I'm going to do the rest of my face, and I'll be right back to apply lashes and do my under eyes. So just stay tuned, guys. Now for the under eye, I'm going to be using the bright blue. So let's see how that looks. That way we can use that first. So I'm taking the bright blue. Okay, so we're going to take some of that dark navy blue too. So the dark navy blue. So for eyelashes, I'm going to be going in with Baddie B lashes in the style SAUCY, by the ones by Jenny69. They are fluffed. They're not too exaggerated because the eyeshadow is already exaggerated, so you want your eyeshadow to be seen. So this is better. So I'm going to be doing this real quick and I'll be right back. Lipstick combo, I'm gonna be going in with my Wet and Wild one and Give Me Mocha, this one, and then I'm gonna take my Anastasia one in the color Naked and top it off with that to make my lips look bigger. So stay tuned. Okay, so I decided I am gonna do an inner corner highlight, and I'm gonna be using my Urban Decay. What palette is this? Beauty with My Edge palette. So I'm gonna be taking this shimmer right here, and I'm gonna use a little pointed brush. If I can find my pointed brush. Okay, so we're gonna start off little by little because these are really pigmented and I don't want to do too much because I feel like my eyeshadow is too much. Okay, now I'm gonna be setting my face with my Morphie setting spray real quick. And watch out for my eyeshadow. This shit smells so fucking bomb. Okay guys, so this is my finished look. I hope you guys like it. This is what the eyeshadow ended up looking like with the lashes. I like that the lashes don't cover up the whole look, but it still puts like some puff in the eye so they don't look so like empty. But yeah, and this is my lip combo also. It goes perfectly. It's not too much. It's like a nude, but still a pinky rosy nude. So I hope you guys like this video, and let me know what other makeup like looks you guys want me to do. Thank you guys. Bye.